guys, welcome back to Angie's Table. So today we're going to be making something that I haven't tried before and I just kind of like thought about it. Grace and I really enjoy pesto all year round. We're going to make it a Korean style. So I thought of 깻잎 pesto, which is perilla leaf pesto. And look at the perilla leaves that Grace found. They're literally like as big as my face. This is normal and this is what Grace found. It's like absurd. But we're going to be making a Korean style cold pasta. So cold pasta isn't really widely known in the States, but it's super popular in Korea. Let's go and check out the ingredients. So we will jump right into making the pasta. So I have a food processor pesto. We're going to be using a food processor today, but if this is not available at your homes, then feel free to use a blender. Let's add in all our enormous perilla leaves. I feel like this like takes up the whole thing.
How many is that? 30?
30 perilla leaves. And then we'll add in our cheese. Normally in pesto, we do add pine nuts, but when we didn't have it at home, she's like slurp, slurp, slurp. We're adding cashews instead. Oh, it's like... And then... sauce 넣고. It's lemon, I see. We're gonna be using extra virgin olive oil, not regular cooking olive oil, and we're gonna add in a 1/4 cup first, and then add the rest of 1/2 cup as we are processing the pesto. Once in a while, I'm gonna open it and adjust everything so it mixes well. That smells amazing. Oh my god. It even just looks like regular pesto too. This really smells amazing, guys. I really hope you guys try this out. I'm gonna put this all into a bowl and we're gonna start making our pasta. I think the green is more like apparent than basil. I just thought of like a random idea while I was looking through Grace's freezer right now, and I saw peppers, like green chilies that Grace already pre-cut up, and I thought, darn it, I should have just blended it all together when I was doing it, but I'm just gonna chop it up as small as I can and just mix it in with the pesto. And also this is optional.
Ooh, you can smell it.
I know, are these are the really spicy ones, right?
Yeah, they're spicy.
With green onions and also with these peppers, my mom always tells us, since they don't last too long in the fridge, to make sure you cut it up and freeze it. You know what's really satisfying? When you use a spatula and you get all the ends like this.
The edges.
Yeah, I love it. It's my pan of water.
It's
하고 있어?
Yeah.
Oh. So, we're gonna boil a pan of water, and you guys know I use fry pans to cook my noodles these days. Like I said earlier, cold pastas are really popular in Korea, and so I thought it'd be cool if I could introduce you guys to this, especially because it fits our theme of summer so well. Grace and I actually thought with this, I feel like it'll be a really good sauce instead of samjang when you're eating K-barbecue, whether it's beef or pork. Like if you add that in there as like a samjang, I feel like it'd be really good. Also because perilla leaves, it's hard for people to like it because the fragrance is so pungent. So it started to boil and I'll add in 1 serving of pasta. Since this is a cold noodle, I also prepared a cold bath to transfer the noodles once they're done cooking right into the bowl of ice cold water. We'll transfer this. And we'll just keep that in here. Now we're gonna cook our samgyup and garlic. It's like almost croutons on a salad. So we're gonna make it super, super crispy. On a fry pan, I'll add ample amounts of olive oil. And we'll add in everything. I strained the spaghetti noodle and I'll put it right back into the bowl. And now we'll go ahead and start our plating. So I'm gonna use very long pair of chopsticks, clamp it down and roll it. And we'll lay it down. And then lay some of the very thinly sliced perilla leaves. We'll add our pesto to the top. And our tomatoes, very sparsely. Add in our garlic and our pork belly on top. And I like it with the kick, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of red pepper. Let's eat! Give this a very good mix. Bon appetit! Mmm.
Is it fresh?
Wow. This is like a whole nother level of like pasta salad. Oh my god. You want a bite?
Salad? Oh yeah.
It's so perfect for the summer. Like I cannot stress that enough.
Mmm.
Very garlicky. I can't even smell too much other than the fact that I have like those really thinly sliced perilla leaves in there. But the pesto itself, it's just very clean and fresh, and it's not too perilla leafy actually, because I feel like it's masked from the cheese and from the garlic, the cashews, which like makes it super earthy and nutty, and it's just really, really good.
That fried garlic is a very
Nice touch, right? That's why I wanted a crunchy texture to it, so that's why I thought it'd be really good to use garlic and the samgyup in there. It tastes like I smell the samgyeopsal. But you guys, this is extremely good. It's so refreshing.
It's a really good summer recipe, that's for sure. I really like this pesto.
So I hope you guys liked this video, and we'll see you guys on our next one.